Woohoo! Very excited. Delivery today. What is it? I thought I could do one of those unboxing videos because it's a very cool box. Oh, Holly. Trick kit. Whatever that is. But it's the 37119 Carb repair kit. And now, see if I can actually do this with one hand while talking at the same time. Oh, yes, I can. Look. Looks weird. There's all sorts of shiny, pretty things in there. Oh, right, hang on. Check for loose parts between carton and film before opening. Check. Have to be a little bit dismayed that bloody plastic. A ton of it here. Urgh. Right, what do we got? What do we got? And an 8 and an 8, 5, 8, 9. What the hell? Alright. Lots of little gaskety tight critters. Ooh! Those are needle floats, aren't they? Yes. Oh, that. Oh, that's part of a floaty device too. But that looks more like a jetty thing. And it doesn't have a number. Oh dear. Hope we can work out what that is. Oh, look, there's another one. Oh, that's slightly different. I'm sure that's a floaty stick. Maybe those are the jets. And those are the floats. Jets, floats. Alright. What else we got in here? That's not going to come out of the box, is it? Yes, it is. Oh, now. What's that? That's the accelerator pump diaphragmy thingy. And then 1, 2. Oh, those are the. I think those are the. And they say they've sort of. Oh, lots. Oh goodness. Oh, what's this? Power valve. I know what that is. Power valve. And it's got. I can't read it in the camera. You probably can't either. Power valve. Oh, little tiny little things that are bound to lose in about a minute. And boy, gaskets. Needle and seat reference. Probably I'm looking at it and not looking at my camera, which means you're probably not seeing anything. Replacement parts division. Hopefully this bit. Oh, nope. It's an envelope. No? Wait, is it? What is it? Fumble. Oh, no, model specifications. Carburetor troubleshooting chart. That's probably going to come in handy. Oh, there's nothing else in the box. So this here bit must be step 1. Remove carburetor. Step 2. Cry. Yes, look. Instructions. Cleaning, cautions, adjustments. Crikey. Oh, gotta love a technical diagram. Alright. We might do some bedtime reading. There it is. I'm going to make a big shout out to Sedgton Truck and Auto. Ordered it online yesterday. Arrived today. Bloody good. Kind of cool if it had a t-shirt or a sticker in it or something, but anyway. Alright, toodle pip.